Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to add a PayPal account. To begin, navigate to the official PayPal website or open the mobile application on your device. You will then enter your registered email address or mobile number into the login field. Following that, input your secure password to access your account dashboard, ensuring you are always on a legitimate PayPal page for safety. This first step connects you to your personal financial hub. After successfully logging in, direct your attention to the top or side menu where you will find Wallet or Payment Methods. This area is your central hub for managing all financial connections to your PayPal account. Click on either Link a Bank Account or Link a Card to proceed with adding your preferred payment method. This step opens the gateway to securely integrating your funds. When linking a bank account, you will typically provide your bank's routing number and your specific account number. PayPal then initiates two small deposits, usually under $1 each, into your bank account. These small transactions will appear within 1 to 3 business days. To complete the verification, you must return to PayPal and accurately confirm the exact amounts of these deposits, ensuring your bank account is securely linked. For adding a credit or debit card, input the full 16-digit card number, the expiration date, and the 3-digit security code from the back. PayPal might place a temporary, small authorization charge, typically less than $2, on your card. This charge is reversed and helps verify your card's authenticity. Once this brief verification is complete, your new card will be fully linked and ready to use, providing seamless payment options.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.